Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to play Vita Mahjong for free on your phone. Let's get started. First, open Vita Mahjong app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, look for games mode or levels that don't have a price tag or VIP label. These are free to play. Tap 1 to begin. Most free levels can be replayed as many times as you want. Some extra levels or special themes might be locked behind a subscription, but you don't need those to enjoy the basic game. The goal is to clear the board by matching two identical tiles that are not blocked. Tap one tile, then tap its match. Keep matching until all tiles are gone. If certain free levels requires coin or energy, you can earn them without playing. By completing daily challenges, watching shorts ads, logging in each day for bonus. And that's it. Now you know how to play Vita Mahjong app completely free on your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.